How to add a picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and import the two video clips you want to use. Drag your main video clip to the timeline on video track 1. Next, drag the second video clip, which will appear as the smaller picture, onto video track 2, placing it directly above the main clip. Then, select the clip on video track 2 and open the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. In the inspector, find the zoom controls. Adjust the zoom to reduce the size of the top clip until it fits the area where you want the picture-in-picture to appear. After resizing, use the position controls in the inspector to move the smaller clip to your desired corner or location on the screen. To make the picture-in-picture clip more visually appealing, you can enhance it by applying effects from Effects Library. To preview your work, scroll through the timeline or press play. Make sure the picture-in-picture clip moves smoothly and doesn't cover important parts of the main video. Finally, when you are satisfied, export your project as usual. And that's it. Now you know how to add a picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.